Hi, so today we're going to be looking at taking data from Excel and sending that to Solidworks in the form of a curve. So what we have here is we have an aerofoil file with X, Y, and Z coordinates, and I've written some code over here. There we have my MDL subs, option explicit, and another important thing is when you're referencing Solidworks, in order for VBA to understand it, you need to have the library enabled. So check that in the tools references. So once you've done that, sorry, don't need that. We have to dimension all of our variables. So we have the SW app as solidworks.solidworks. We have the part dimensioned as an object. The bool status checks the successful completion of a task, and that's a boolean. And then we have my other variables. I is the loop counter, and then we have x, dblx, dbly, and dblz. They are double variables for the x, y, and the z components of the spreadsheet data. So first you need to set the Solidworks application and then make it visible. Next you need to set the part. So this is just taken directly from the macro, and it is the generic place where the Solidworks will open the new documents. So C program data Solidworks 2013, that's my year, templates part.prt dot, and the zeros are just for page size, so just set them to 0. Now this is the line for the curve, so you need to go part.insert curve file begin. So now if we look at the variables and the loop, we have do until the cell value is nothing. So that's going to go down to row 132. Now within the loop we have dblx, which is cells I1, so column is 1 and I is the row, and the same for 2 and 3, which is the y and z. The bool status part.insert curve file point, open parenthesis, dblx, dbly, dblz. That is where the the coordinate is inserted into Solidworks, and then the loop continues. Finally, the bool status at the end is just to check that it's gone okay. If we now press play on that macro and we wait a little while, we can see that the Solidworks has opened and we have our aerofoil file there. So thanks for watching.